I would like to ask you some questions. I just want to check how much do you know. What is the difference between for sale and for sale? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For sale or on sale? Sale. Sale, do you know? S-A-L-E? Sale. So what is the difference between for sale and on sale? Just say this is for sale, this is on sale. Suppose the sentence is, if you go to P&M Mall, go to City Center, so it is written there for sale, and somewhere it is on sale. What is difference between for sale, on sale? If anybody knows, raise your hand and then tell. Wait. For sale.
For sale means for बेचने के लिए, and on sale is it is on discount, like we can buy.
Or anyone?
फोर सेल मीन्स ये सेल पर है और ऑन सेल, फोर सेल मीन्स ये सेल के लिए है और ऑन सेल मत ये सेल पर है.
Or anybody? For sale. City Center, it is written, very common word is there. Yes.
फॉर सेल मतलब ये मतलब बेचने के लिए, और ऑन सेल मतलब ये डिस्काउंट पे है.
Okay. For sale means बेचने के लिए, on sale discount. Or anybody has different answer or same? If anybody has different answer then.
Sir, for sale means to sell, and on sale means sale is going on.
Sale is going on. Or anyone? Yes.
For sale means this is for sale, but for on sale means shopkeeper is going to give discount.
I already told if you have different answer then.
मींस कुछ टाइम के लिए डिस्काउंट ऑन.
हाँ चलो. That Ruchi was right. For sale means this is for sale. This house is for sale. बिक्री का है. On sale means it is on discount. On sale, if it is on sale, it means it is on discount. This is difference, for sale and on sale. Clap for me. चलो next.